From this video, we will introduce the prep for HPE0-G04, HPE Morpheus Certified Administrator Exam. What is HPE Morpheus Certified Administrator Exam? Exam details. Who should take the exam? Exam objectives. Study tips for success. 1. How can administrators ensure security when using custom inputs? A. By using encrypted fields for sensitive data. B. By disabling all user-defined inputs. C. By restricting inputs to predefined lists only. D. By enforcing static values for all provisioning processes. Answer: A. 2. Which role types are commonly used in Morpheus? Select 2. A. API-only user. B. Network supervisor. C. Tenant admin. D. Read-only user. Answer: C, D. 3. In what scenarios are custom inputs useful in Morpheus? Select 2. A. Provisioning dynamic virtual machines based on user selections. B. Limiting deployment configurations to a single cloud provider. C. Automating workload scaling based on user-defined thresholds. D. Blocking all changes to predefined instance templates. Answer: A, C. 4. What are best practices for configuring Morpheus after installation? Select 2. A. Limiting API access for automation. B. Setting up integration with cloud providers. C. Disabling built-in security features. D. Configuring role-based access control, RBAC. Answer: B, D. 5. How can custom inputs be used in Morpheus? A. To override system-level policies. B. To provide user-defined values for provisioning instances. C. To replace all default configurations with static inputs. D. To restrict workflow execution to specific users. Answer: B. 6. What are best practices when managing infrastructure groups in Morpheus? Select 2. A. Restricting access to groups at the instance level. B. Configuring group-level permissions using RBAC. C. Assigning groups to specific cloud integrations. D. Limiting groups to a single cloud type. Answer: B, C. 7. Which of the following code repositories can be integrated with Morpheus? A. GitHub and GitLab. B. AWS S3. C. Microsoft OneDrive. D. Google Drive. Answer: A. 8. Which of the following is a valid input type in Morpheus? A. Cloud provider restriction. B. Fixed network IP assignment. C. Static volume size. D. Encrypted field. Answer: D. 9. What are fundamental provisioning concepts in Morpheus? Select 2. A. Instances as deployable workloads. B. Layouts for defining resource configurations. C. Static network assignments only. D. Eliminating the need for cloud APIs. Answer: A, B. 10. In which scenario would a single-tenant model be preferred over a multi-tenant model? A. When optimizing infrastructure for cost efficiency. B. When multiple organizations need to share cloud resources. C. When an organization requires strict data and security isolation. D. When enforcing user access policies across multiple teams. Answer: C. Subscribe and like. Pass question.